We
and reach.
Justin about bent it.
I'm good for a couple of years.
right here in the middle of the ocean, the lake, Tenda Lake. Fishing for walleye. How many have we caught so far?
What's up?
Fish on there right now?
He's got his tally over that way.
Yeah, it's hanging there.
I pulled that, yeah, where it gets caught in the thing.
How many are we up to, Art?
We are up to 19.
19.
19.
So 11 more.
Yeah, I guess where the limit is.
30. Yep.
I hope they'll stay coming.